In this lesson, I'm going to show you a basic 12-bar blues chord progression in the key of E major. The 12-bar blues is one of the fundamental progressions and is found in so many rock and roll, rock, pop, soul and of course blues songs throughout the years. But the basic form is really simple. And I'm going to show you two versions. An incredibly simple version and an alternative version that will add a bit more interest to your progression. It's still simple, but it gets a bit challenging at the end. So in E, we're using three major chords, E, A and B, all of which we've looked at before. If you're not familiar with these chords, then check out the link in the description for a playlist for all the chords in the key of E. This 12 bar is a little trickier than some of the others we've looked at, because the change from E to B is quite a big one. You're moving from here all the way to here. It's quite a jump. I would seriously recommend checking out the full lessons for those to make sure you're comfortable with those chords. So here's the progression. You can see the progression up there. There are 12 bars and each bar has 4 beats in it. And for the rhythm, we'll be sticking to a very simple pattern. The pattern is just going to be down, 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 up, down, up. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and this is the same progression that Carl Perkins uses on Everybody's Trying to Be My Baby. And also John Lennon's live 1972 version of Hound Dog is in this key too. Check them out. So have a listen, play along if you're ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that was the basic version. Now here's the alternative version with a few differences. And if you look at the two versions there, you'll see it's the first line of 4 bars. There's the first difference where the E chord is for 1 bar and then the A chord comes in on the second bar and then it reverts back to the E. And it's the final 2 bars where the change really occurs. And if you see, there are now half bars of E, A, E and B. Okay, so hit that like button if you're getting value out of this. Here we go again. Listen or play along. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those 3 chords, E, A and B major, as I say, can be quite tricky. So check out the lesson on B major if it's still causing you any problems. The link is in the description down below. And if you didn't play along, then why not go back and have a go? If you did, then have another go. So I'll see you in the next class, and don't forget to hit the notifications button before you check out of this.